Yes, good day everybody. How are we doing? You're welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be talking about projects, writing your project. For some people that are ready to write their project or are given some project topics in their school, and you need ideas and how to start. So in this session, I'll be taking us on inputing of our project and how to set it up. This is mainly for Federal Polytechnic Ado-Ekiti students. I don't know for other schools, but to start with, you need to go to your Windows, then type Word, then click on the desktop app. So after that, it brings you to this interface. Now, to the Federal Polytechnic Ado-Ekiti students, we have some things here. We have organization of the project. We have how let me say how it should be done, which was given to us by the school. So now it starts from the font. Sorry for this. Okay, it starts from the font. Now after going to this, we'll be looking at how to change the font of the project we are doing. First of all, go here, then we will choose a Time New Romance, then the appropriate font for the cover page. If you are to do a cover page, then you are going to use 14 as a size, but if you are typing for the inner pages, you have to use 12. Now to make this simple, let me quickly get this project. Now this is for a particular project student. Electricity is an indispensable part of, let me just copy it. This is for chapter 1. Okay, let me paste it here. Now this is it. Then how do you make it look like the one they said you should do from the school? Press Ctrl A, go back to this and type Times New Roman, then type your, or press your tab, take it to 12, and tap enter. You see it has changed. Now according to the school, now this project needs to be adjusted, like the size, the spacing, the margin, and all those things. Now the spacing should be double. The spacing, according to what is written, it should be double. Then come to this place, let's see, double spacing, that's 2.0. yes. So the margin, how do you get the margin? This top part, no, you don't click there. This is where you're going to click. When you click twice, it's going to bring out the margin for you. Yes, now this is the margin. According to the requirement from the school, the top should be 1, the bottom should be 1, this is 1, the left should be 1.5, while the right should be 1 also. So paper, let's use paper. The paper size is A4. You see that it's adjusting. So apart from that, there's nothing else. Then click OK. You see that it's now adjusted like that. So that is how that one will be. So concerning the page numbering, so far we are looking at the inner pages. The main report should be in 1, 2, 3. Now you can easily click here twice. Then okay, I'm looking at where this is the footer. Yes. Yeah, we need this one. Let's go to homes and change the color. Let's also change the color. Okay, I think that's all. So that's how that one will be numbered. So now you see this is 1. Let's say for example you are taking it down, automatically it will number it to 2 by itself. Now, what if you are doing maybe the preliminary pages, those that needs to be in Roman numerals? How do you separate them? There is a way you separate them here. I will do that in a short review. But now there are different first page. That means the first page will be different from the rest of the pages, but that one will not be taught now. So let's quickly go to what we are here for. Now this referencing, we'll be talking about referencing quickly. And what does this one means? This now means it is referenced according to IEE, but according to to our project supervisor or to the project supervisor, if you are to use is it ASA, let me check here, upper style, yes, the upper style is the recommended one. So now the best thing for you to do is to click on manage sources. Then after clicking on the manage sources, yes, after downloading your journal, your forum, your PDF, anyone, then you want to enter the reference. And I will advise you as a project student that you should do something. Immediately you are searching for your project and you are seeing some things on some textbooks or some journals. The best thing for you to do is to immediately input the reference here. Now, what does this referencing does? This referencing is when you enter the reference here, maybe later after you are done with your reference and all those, and you press reference here. If you press insert reference, it's going to insert the reference by itself without stress. Instead of you starting to look for, oh, where do I reference this, how do I get this again and again, the best thing is for you to start referencing it immediately you are typing your project. So now click on new. Currently now we are going to go through the reference. Now click on new. Then I've copied the name of the author. Now if you are referencing your project, you need to check if it is either journal, book section, journal article in periodical, conference. This conference proceeding has name, city and pages with publisher, and also if it is a report. So now most of my projects that I have here are journal. So now quickly, the title of this journal is developing an automated inverter for efficient energy usage, okay, based on Internet of Things. So don't worry, later I will be discussing with us on how to get our project and how to download some journals. So now the name of the journal is Abward Journal of Engineering Research and Development. So shift F3, okay. And so now the year is 2018 with pages. The page you extracted what you actually got from. Now this one was extracted from 380 to 384. Now that is all. Then that has been added. Now that is for 1. For 2, let me go back and let me copy the now let me copy it. Now for the 2 I have, now this is the name, this is the year, this is the name of the, now this is the topic for the journal, yes, and this is the name of the journal. This is the topic that was treated, and this is the name for the journal. This is the pages. This is, okay, no, sorry, this is the journal. This is journal. And this is the pages. It was split from 13499 to 1377. This is the DOI. I'm gonna explain more on this later on. So quickly, let me copy this. Okay, go back to your manage source. This is how you are going to be adding it, so as not to give you stress later. Now the title is erratic. Okay, can I save this and go back? Let me just copy this. Let me copy this to this point. So I'm gonna have, okay. Now if you've done something before and you want to edit, click on what you have, what you want to edit, and click edit. Now the title, this is way too much. The title is energy explore. The journal name is energy exploration. That's what I have there. So press Ctrl A. The way forward. Okay. Erratic challenges. So now I have year. The year is 2021. And also make sure that the things that you are using, the journal you are using, make sure that you are using the latest one, not 1990 something. So now the pages that I was picked from was 1349 to 1377. So that is all on that. Now this was exit in your master list and current document. Do you want to update both lists with these changes? Now my answer is yes, because I want to update it. Now that is it. Now let's now go to, now this is the 1, this is the 2. This is, I told you before that this is the ISA style. If you go here, if you put up here, you will see the style. We have IEE style. That is how the style is, that was done from where it was copied from. So now we are going to be using upper style. So now, so far this is 2. That means, so far this is 2. That means you go here. Now for the 2 we have a metere. It automatically, you see, it will automatically reference it itself. Now let's go back there and insert citation. This is in-text citation. See, among all the other authors, we have Ajibola 2018. Ajibola 2018. So now after everything, and you want to reference your project, sorry, Ctrl B, Ctrl E, Ctrl E and Ctrl B. So now, instead of you start checking the textbooks you are looking in that you referenced, just click on, oh sorry, okay, yes, just click on reference, then it, see, has referenced it for you by itself. That is how these things are done. You see, the name accordingly 2018. Yeah, you don't need to start stressing yourself on some things. Let me put this as Control E. Let me put it as Control B. Let me do this. Let me make it black. Yes. Now, if you want it to be Time New Roman and 12, then we are fine. Now, this can be capital letter, reference, and that's how it's gonna be. So now everybody, this is where, or this is how to reference your project. So now in the next video, I'm gonna show you how to get your project, how to download it, and how to get the what's it called, the journals online to your laptop or to your phone. Thank you. Have a good day.